You are listening to an Ayrshire College podcast for LGBT History Month 2015.
My name's Shonna Connell. I'm a Sexual Health Promotion Officer with NHS Ayrshire Arran. NHS Ayrshire Arran are working hard to improve the lives and experiences of those living, working or studying in Ayrshire, and sexual health and well-being is seen as a very important part of people's lives, and we're working towards the National Sexual Health and BBV framework outcomes, which are to achieve fewer sexually transmitted infections, fewer unintended pregnancies, reduce health inequalities regarding sexual health, people affected by bloodborne viruses lead longer and healthier lives, and sexual relationships are all free from coercion and harm, and that we work towards a society and culture whereby the attitudes of individuals, the public, the professionals and the media in Scotland towards sexual health are positive, non-stigmatising and supportive. We're working towards achieving these outcomes for everyone in Ayrshire. Some examples of this: we're actively trying to prevent the spread of sexually transmitted infections by encouraging safer sexual practice through the provision of free condoms and dams through our C-card scheme. We've increased opportunities for testing for sexually transmitted infections, not just at Sexual Health Department. You can now also get testing at many local pharmacies. Regarding LGBT issues and LGBT health, we provide information, training and education for staff in the NHS, local authorities and education, aiming to raise awareness of the potential specific health issues of LGBT people, dispelling some of the myths, for example, regarding cervical smears. All women, regardless of their sexual orientation, need to attend regularly for smear tests, and also to improve access to and experiences of people attending health services. We'll have an LGBT information page on our Sexual Health and Bloodborne Virus website, www.shayr.com. During LGBT History Month, we're running a campaign being sent specifically to GPs, education staff and school nurses to raise awareness of LGBT young people's health and both the local and national support services which are available should they need to refer someone for support. John Burns, our Chief Exec of NHS Ayrshire Arran, has signed the Stonewall Scotland No Bystanders pledge, along with others working within NHS Ayrshire Arran, which pledges our staff will not be a bystander to bullying or teasing language, and if we hear it we will call it out, and if we can we will stop it. By signing the pledge we promise to stand up for fairness and kindness and never be a bystander. Your sexual health and well-being is important, and we are doing our best to improve this for all the people in Ayrshire. If you have any suggestions on how we can improve things for LGBT people accessing health services, please be sure to come along and talk to me at one of the conversation cafes being held this month, or if you can't make it to any of the cafes, please fill in a care to comment card when you're attending a hospital appointment.
If you have been affected by any of the issues raised in this podcast, please contact Student Services at your Ayrshire College campus. Thank you for listening.